My name's Esther. I'm in Wollongong City Council area. I had already installed solar, and even then I was still getting electricity bills, so it made sense for me to add on a battery. My electricity bill before the battery installation was $120 for the month. After installation, my bills were actually in credit for 6 months running, and then my most recent bill, which covered summer, was $1.43. Being part of an endorsed program that goes across the coastal councils, people can feel confident that they're dealing with reputable service providers and that the appropriate checks and due diligence have been covered as part of the procurement process. The whole process from start to finish was seamless. It was very easy. I have been referring people. Whoever will listen, friends, family, my neighbour, even my hairdresser. Being part of an endorsed program, it really takes the stress and anxiety out of decision-making process. You can feel confident that the system will pay for itself and that it will provide benefits for a long time into the future. It can't go wrong.